Hello everyone, Karen Miller here. Today I'm going to do like a bouillabaisse. Bouillabaisse is a kind of a soup. Traditionally you have shrimp and these things in it, but we're gonna do it with those fishy mushrooms. I'm going to put some salt in here and throw in some bay leaves. I'm also going to throw in some thyme in there, bunch of thyme. This is all going to disintegrate, and then you can fish out the stock when this is done. When I get back, I'm going to add the fennel and the chili. I'm going to throw in my fennel. This is what the fennel looks like. I cut it in half. This is what it looks like. Fennel, fresh fennel. It has a licoricey kind of flavor and smell. Going to add my chilies. Once my lobster mushrooms have been reconstituted, I'm going to add the water to this and take it from there. I'm going to add some kelp for some extra fishy flavor. Looks like black pepper, guys. And some dulse. Extra fishy flavor. And I'll get back to you. So here I have a strainer and I'm putting some paper towel. You could also use like a coffee filter if you want to strain something, because this might have little bits of stuff that I don't want to get into my food. So I'm straining the reconstituted lobster mushroom. I'm gonna pick this up, give this a stir, bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to add my other ingredients. I'm going to do some fresh tomato and then marinara sauce and tomato paste. So when I get back, we're going to do that. So this is bubbling away. I'm going to add some fresh tomatoes. Those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. I'm going to do the marinara sauce that I had left over. So I'm going to start adding my marinara sauce. Alright, so when I come back, I'm going to finish doing that and then I'm going to get back to you. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste because I did not have a lot of the marinara sauce. It was some leftovers, so I needed a little bit more for the family. So I'm adding the tomato paste to tighten it up a little bit, and I added some more water, so this will be fine. You know, it's like it's a soup. Alright, I'm back. Let me show you my mushrooms. I found some lion's mane mushrooms at Whole Foods today. I was so happy because I've been looking for these forever. So I'm going to fry these up and dump it in my soup as a garnish. And here I have my yellow oyster mushrooms. Oh my god, this is so smelly, fishy. These are beautiful. These are the yellow oyster mushrooms, because some people have been saying to me, oh, the oyster mushroom is not fishy. Again, it has to be these yellow ones, not the grayish ones. So you get these. Oh my god, it's so fishy, it would knock you out. And then when I get back, I'm going to prepare my lion's mane mushrooms for frying. I'm adding my oyster mushrooms. I'm going to let this simmer. While it's simmering, I'm going to prepare my lion's mane mushroom for frying. So I'm preparing my batter for my lion's mane mushrooms. I have some garbanzo bean flour here. I added some kelp, the kelp granules that I added to my soup. I have some dulse, I have some cayenne and some salt. I'm going to add my sparkling water and get this in here. And then I'm going to dip my lion mane mushroom in here and fry it. See, I cut them into pieces. Alright, so when I come back, we're going to start frying this. I'm going to add my mushrooms now. The oil is up to temperature, 375. So I'm going to add all of these here. Don't crowd the pot too much. And when I come back, I'm going to show you what they look like, guys. So I'm back, guys, and here are I'm frying the rest of the mushrooms, so there's some noise in the background, but it's okay. These look like chicken nuggets, guys. Anyway, I'm going to plate my fish soup, or mock fish soup, bouillabaisse, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of the frond from the fennel. And then you put 2 of these here, right? And you eat this with some really good toasted bread, guys. Bread, that's it. Bread. I'm salivating right now. I cannot wait to have this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Take care. See you in the next video.